In this video, we are going to convert Pandas DataFrame to JSON. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for Pandas DataFrame to JSON, add JSON's object name. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Now, this use case requires the Pandas library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. This line of the code is to import Pandas library and JSON. This part of the code is to create a data frame using dictionary. Here we convert data frame into JSON using to_JSON method. And this part of the code is to convert the created JSON into key value pair of JSON. Now let's run the code, and you have converted Pandas data frame to JSON.